Limit who can see your stories on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to limit who can see your stories on Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app. Now click on those three lines up there and click on the setting icon beside the search icon. Scroll down and now you're gonna find posts. Now click on who can see your stories, which is the third option. Now your stories will be visible for 24 hours on Facebook and Messenger, and click on to choose who can see it, public, friends, or hide story from, or choose wherever you want of those options. And this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.